New to content creation. These 5 AI tools will save you weeks of learning and help you create pro-level content instantly. Let's jump in. Back in the day, you needed expensive gear and years of editing experience to even think about making good videos. But now, in 2026, that's completely changed. AI is leveling the playing field, making it possible for anyone to create amazing content. The tools I'm about to show you will give you a massive head start. First up, number 1 is Clipchamp AI Editor. If you're a complete beginner, this is your new best friend. Seriously, it's like having a professional editor do the work for you with just one click. You can upload your footage, and its AI will automatically create a full video, complete with music and transitions. It also has auto captions to make your videos more accessible and engaging. And if you're shy or don't have a good microphone, its AI voiceover feature is a lifesaver. You just type your script, and it generates a natural-sounding voice. The best part, it has a zero learning curve. You can jump right in and start creating clean, professional-looking reels and shorts using its ready-made templates. It's perfect for getting started without feeling overwhelmed. Tool number 2 is Runway Gen-3 Alpha. This is where things get really futuristic. Instead of just editing your video, this tool helps you create video from scratch using text prompts. Want a cinematic shot of a drone flying over a mountain? Just type it. It can also add incredible effects to your existing footage, like motion tracking an object or blurring faces for privacy. It's how you get those super professional, almost Hollywood-style shots, even if you're just filming with your phone. It makes your content look incredibly high-end, even if your skills are still basic. Next, at number 3, we have CapCut's AI Studio. If your goal is to grow on Instagram or TikTok, you need to be using this. You know those viral reels where the cuts perfectly match the beat of the music? CapCut's AI does that for you automatically with its auto beat sync feature. It also has an endless library of trending templates. You just drop in your clips, and it creates a high-energy, engaging reel in seconds. The AI-powered transitions are super smooth and make your videos look dynamic and polished. It's honestly the fastest way to create content that's optimized for social media growth. At number 4, we have Notion AI. Every creator knows the pain of staring at a blank page, but with Notion AI, writer's block is a thing of the past. This isn't just a simple text editor, it's a powerful scriptwriter. You can give it a basic idea, and it will generate a complete video script, from the hook to the call to action. It's also amazing for brainstorming new content ideas. If you run a blog alongside your channel, it can even write SEO-optimized articles for you. It's like having a co-writer and strategist available 24/7. Finally, tool number 5 is Descript Overdub. This tool will fundamentally change how you edit your audio and voiceovers, especially for longer content like podcasts or YouTube videos. Overdub lets you clone your own voice. So, if you make a mistake while recording, you don't have to re-record the whole section. You just type the corrected word, and it will generate the audio in your voice. It's seamless. Plus, its studio sound feature automatically removes all the awkward pauses, filler words like and enhances your audio quality. This tool will literally save you hours of tedious editing and speed up your workflow for long-form content. So, to recap, if you're just starting out, these 5 AI tools, Clipchamp, Runway, CapCut, Notion AI, and Descript are your secret weapons. They will save you time, dramatically boost your content quality, and help you grow 10 times faster than you thought possible. It's a brand new era for creators, and these tools put you right at the front of it. Make sure you subscribe because day 9 of our series drops tomorrow. And trust me, you do not want to miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching.